Hello, good morning to all of you, dear student. Today we are starting the topic this the Hindu newspaper. Newspaper is most important. Each people you have to receive but cover the demand on the syllabus. There are many students. There are many competitive exam in India. You have to preparing, but you have to focus on this current affair and some news by every day updated in this demand for the syllabus. And mains paper 3 economics and direct tax on indirect tax like 2022 to 2023. Number 2 direct tax for this 80% the 2023-2024 and the target why this achieve. I feel that this news is the demand for the topic 3 mains paper, and you have to realize the syllabus. Then after you have to identify and make these notes. After South Africa accused Israel of genocide in Palestine and united court by this setup. This is the some issue and related to this international matters. You have to explore in front of the mirror and teachers. Then you have to make this note. Why do the South Korea accused by the Israel in Palestine? Why the united code of the set? You have to thinking, then decision. And next, skip this news. This is the most important. So men Sena verdict put on this rest. All doubles about the stability of the Maharashtra government. Deputy Chief Minister Manish Dinvenders by said that this is by this related to government. This is not important. This demands the syllabus and Union Public Service Commissions. And next news by amid police action, Tamil Nadu governor visited to the Pari University. And this is the High Court dismissed by the OPS appeal against the order the restarting has used the AIADMK symbols. This is the related to news of this Madras High Court. And Madras High Court by this the party AIADMK demand for the symbols. But the High Court Madras said that this order is dismissed. And related to some example give this justice in this topic. You have to, this is points of the demand for this questions and make this answer. But dear, you have to always the focus, like recently India and Maldives relations, you have to focus on the increase the each people's each countries. How to make this India and Maldives relations? There is a bad relation, yeah, good relations. This is type of the thought. Every channels, every people say that in this India, yeah, Maldives. But I believe that this news is the demand for the civil service and relation for this India and Maldives. How could you think? Then after you have to the IFS officer. How could you control these relations? Like you are posting in this Maldives. So then after you have to think related to the IFS officers. Next. Whence are the 42-kilometer drive Atal Setu to reduce Mumbai, Navy Mumbai commit for this 20 minutes. This is the new flyover Atal Setu and organized by this today Prime Minister Narendra Modi. This is a state by this Maharashtra. 42 kilometers drive. Next. Dear, cleanness or performance is most important. Each student या each government employment performance is most important. Then after show in the front of the ranking. MCD ranked by the 19th in the Center Swachh Service missions. Aam Aadmi Party said that you have to make the performance and improving. Performance are always the most important. You have to focus the performance. Like such missions are the 19th rank in this Delhi. It's a very badness. Or this community, you have to not the proper work in this the such cleanliness focus on this Delhi. Because there are different issue and other person you have to dependent and focus. But you have to focus on this government and its peoples. Then performance is this so good. And Delhi High Court bad to true by law in these cases. This is not demand for this exam. This CM, CPI, M2 and Congress by... No, this news is not demand for this demand for this question. Only you have to... This news is political and you have to make. No. Next. Yeah, this news is very important. You have to realize yourself former legacy displacement of the land ownership. Right now, your father is your grandfather, your grandmother, your father. Some you are the landowners in your property. Like you have to imagine in future you are make these landowners and you have to legacy displacement for why related to this constitution paper 2 means are the legend year by years Odisha government appointment to take force to resolve this estate complex problem and patents. I would like to say that there are different problems and this estate in front of these people related to the land order are most important. He is the make this note. You have to explain the next point. Thank you.